30.
We are seeing the consequences of people not being vaccinated and then getting sick and dying from COVID-19.
This month, there's been an alarming jump in COVID-19 deaths here in Washoe County. Coverage of the pandemic tops 2 News at 6:30. And while the rate of COVID infections are improving slowly, it's taking really a toll on the hospitals. I'm Ryan Kennedy.
And I'm Kristen Remington. Thanks for being with us tonight. Today, Nevada reported more than 800 new cases of COVID-19, but that is down by 400 from yesterday. The test positivity rate for the state fell to 11.1%. Washoe County's test positivity also dropped. It's now sitting just above 18%, 18.3 to be exact. Now, the health district says we're seeing an alarming amount of COVID-related deaths this month, and that last month, well, compared to June and July, it's up significantly.
Yeah, and each of those months, 5 COVID-19 related deaths were reported. So far this month, 57 people have died from the virus. Michelle Lorenzo shows us why strained hospitals in the upcoming flu season is creating even more concerns.
We have had hospitals that have had to request additional ventilators from the state. So the situation is not good, and it's driven by people that are hesitant and are not getting vaccinated for COVID-19.
The amount of COVID-19 hospitalizations aren't necessarily increasing, but it remains consistently high. Overall, in Washoe County, 90% of staffed hospital beds are currently in use. On top of that, many are understaffed, and hospitals have been addressing issues with people seeking care or calling 911 for non-emergency situations.
We need to make sure that we're ensuring the capacity of our healthcare system to provide that care for everybody in the community that needs it.
The health district officer says you should only call 911 for emergencies. Otherwise,
that can result in people that are in a traffic accident and need emergency care not being able to access that readily.
All impacts to our healthcare system have to be considered, especially with flu season coming up in October. The health district officer says he's concerned with the amount of coronavirus cases going into flu season, especially because there's a large part of our population that is not vaccinated for the coronavirus.
I expect we're gonna be seeing things potentially deteriorating worse as we get into the flu season.
Covering the story, Michelle Lorenzo, 2 News.